Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here to share a swap that I received today in the mail. It's from my friend Lydia, whose little bugs, I think Lydbugs. I'll have her link down below. She sent me a package, and oh my gosh, we decided to swap an ornament and a stocking, and I've already showed you mine. And look at this cute Christmas card she made me. I think I made you a card. I'm not sure, Lydia. I don't know if I did or not. I'm not terrible. Okay, so, and then I'm going to show you, I want to show you the ornament that's so adorbs. It's cute, has my name on the back. So cute. Oh my gosh, okay. So I got that, and then she made me a really cute, shabby, pink and gray stocking. They're cute, and she used these florets. It's really soft, actually. It's really, really cute. Thank you, Lydia. And then she gave me some snowflake garland from Martha Stewart. And oh my gosh, look at this notebook. Isn't this cute? I love that. Oh, and then she also, hold on. She also sent me a couple packs of paper, 6x6 paper. And I love my mind's eye. So pretty. So thank you, Lydia, for that. And then she gave me this little, I want to say it's to fit, it's really, really cute, and I can't, it's like a little journal where you put things in. It's really, really cute. I love that teddy bear. So cute. And she gave me, I think it says Noel. Yeah, it says Noel. And then she was very generous and gave me a stamp set. So cute. Dear Santa, I want it all. 'Tis the season to be fabulous. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. I love that one. The F made me do it. Nice until proven naughty. This one says never stop believing in Santa, and then this one says get your merry on. This is so cute. I love that. And then she gave me a cotton hand towel. It's all these polar bears. Look how cute. Love that, Lydia. And then she's giving me some stickers. This is really pretty. I love the vintage images. And she's giving me some acetate or transparency overlays. I'm sorry for the glare. She's giving me some glitter stickers. These are really pretty, just in time for Valentine's Day. And some bling. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thanks, Lydia.